Hello, I'm William Vinson, yeswilliam.com. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I want to go through another keyword research tool I found today. I think everybody will find it beneficial to have a multiple keyword search tools. So I'm going to show you the one that I found today, and it'll be on the next screen. This is keyword tool where we look for keywords. So I'm going to show you this, and I don't know that you can see the keyword website up there or not, but I'll put it in the description when I do. But you see what you do. This is the free part of it. It's not going to show you a whole lot of information. It's going to, but you can type in whatever you're looking for. And I was looking for keyword tags a minute ago, so keyword. Let's just put keywords in, and we'll go to the search. And you see the search, what the keyword tags are. Now for $88 a month, you can get this to provide search volume, data, and English keywords, or for English keywords, the volume, data, and all that. But it's not something I can do right now anyway, so I'm showing you what you can get here. Now this is the free version, and you just type in whatever you want and go to the search part of it. Yeah, I'm gonna share it with my friends. Let's Twitter it first. Past that, I'm just gonna wait. Okay, self-help, and you see what the self-help things. It gives you search volume on a few of them, and the ups or downs of it, and the cost per click. So, if you know cost per click, then everything will work good. Competition's real high in self-help books for women. You can see that over here too. So these kind of things are important to know, especially if you're planning on something a little bit more elaborate than I got going on right now anyway. We're going to put online marketing. Online marketing degree is falling off. You can see the trend, and online marketing jobs is trending lower. Online marketing courses, which this is a little bit of, so we'll make sure we mark that as in online marketing companies. So it'll let you try that, I'm sure, but they're going to try and hook you to go. So anyway, this is keyword tool, and it's made by Google, and it'll help you find your keywords. So I'm going to put the link in my description, and you'll be able to go to this yourself. And if you want to pay for it, that's all you got to do is pay for it. I mean, you see how they got it all over the place for you to do that. So I hope you found value in this video. Please like and subscribe. Until tomorrow, have a great day.